I talk to creators every week who are worried about the unpredictability of course income. They have great courses, but the one-time payment model means they're constantly hunting for new customers. If that sounds like you and you're lying awake at night wondering where your next sale will come from, there's something you need to know. Courses are an awesome way to start monetizing your videos and your knowledge. But once you create more than one course, something that really sucks starts to happen. So when you start, you build hype for your first launch, you release it, you spend time marketing, and you focus on just that course. It's a decent number of sales, and then from the feedback you get, you know exactly what your audience wants next. So far, so good. But once you start building the second course, you're forced into an impossible choice. Do you go all in on building hype for this new course, or split your focus to keep sales flowing into the first one? If you go all in on the new course, sales will probably slow down on the first one. But if you split your focus, and your new course suffers from less marketing. No matter how you slice it, both options drain your energy, confuse your audience, and leave money on the table. In other words, they both suck. So instead of splitting your focus and selling each course separately, what if you could put all your knowledge inside one subscription? This is where memberships shine. Let me show you the math. Instead of asking your audience to choose between course A for $197 or course B for $297, you create a single membership that includes everything for just $29 a month. With the course model, if someone buys course A for $197, that's it. That's the amount of money you made. But with a membership, the same person might stay subscribed for a year or longer. It's $348 more just from one customer. And they're happier because they have access to everything. Your audience wins because they get instant access to your entire knowledge vault. Every course you've ever made, plus everything you'll create in the future. No more agonizing over which course to buy. They just get it all. And you win because you're no longer riding the launch roller coaster with its terrifying drops. Instead, you have consistent, predictable monthly income that compounds with every new student who joins. Plus, your marketing gets a lot simpler. Instead of juggling 5 different course funnels, you have one clear message. Join my membership for access to everything. No more confusing your audience with multiple offers. And no more cannibalizing your own sales. Just one clear path for your students and one clear focus for your marketing. With this method, homesteading creator Justin Rhodes doesn't have to split his focus between marketing a permaculture pigs course and a livestock guardian course and a goat course and so on. He can put all of his energy into promoting the membership that holds them all, Abundance Plus. And here's where it gets even better. We've seen course creators transition to memberships and get incredible retention by hosting a community alongside their content. Students ask questions, support each other, and build relationships that keep them logging in even when there's no new content. The data doesn't lie. Members who engage in community stay subscribed up to 3 times longer than those who don't. But to turn your courses into a membership that actually makes money, you need to answer some really important questions. How do you get your audience ready for the change? What's your content strategy going to look like for ongoing value? And what is the right price to make sure you grow sustainably? We made a video with the answers that will help you confidently go from course to membership. It's linked on screen and in the description. Thanks for watching.